Make Kinpira, which goes well with bento. Renkon, lotus root. Gobou, burdock root. Konnyaku, konjac cake. Heat oil in a pan. Add gobou, renkon, carrot, and konnyaku. Stir fry on medium-high until lightly softened. Add sake, soy sauce, mirin, and sugar. Stir well to coat the vegetables. Cook until liquid almost evaporates and the flavors absorb into the vegetables. Sprinkle with toasted sesame seeds and chill. Make Konnyaku salad. Make a karaben. Make a tamagoyaki. In this time I added the leftover nori from cute faces in the middle. Make a spam mummy onigiri. Slice the spam and pan fry in a frying pan. Thinly sliced seaweed is wrapped around the onigiri like mummy bandages. Make eyes fro nori and cheese. That's it, cute spooky mummy spam onigiri. Now let's start packing the bento. Let's make a Halloween Caesar salad. First, use Halloween cookie cutters to make cute croutons. Spray with oil, sprinkle a little salt, and air fry at 160 degrees Celsius for about 3 to 5 minutes until golden. Cut and wash the cos lettuce well, then spin it dry in a salad spinner. Next, cook the bacon until crispy. My husband only eats short-cut bacon, so I cook it as is. Add eggs in the air fryer too. Now, let's make the Caesar dressing. Blend mayonnaise, garlic, anchovies, lemon juice, Dijon mustard, Worcestershire sauce, parmesan, salt, and pepper. Mix everything together, add your spooky croutons, and enjoy. Today, I'm making a super easy Halloween bento. Cook frozen crumbed fish and mini hash browns in the air fryer until golden. This time, I'm using a 3-in-1 breakfast fry pan to cook 2 tamagoyaki, bacon-wrapped asparagus, and bacon-wrapped enoki all at once. Then, use a ghost-shaped nori cutter to make cute little ghosts. Let's pack everything into the bento box. Thanks for watching. Like, comment your fave bento, and subscribe for more. See you next time. Happy cooking!